we're cooking here. I have, basically what we're doing is, you can see we have this motion control shot. She's in the frame, and then what's gonna happen is she's gonna disappear from the frame and be gone. But what we need to do is, there's this little tiny section. We could just cut and just have her disappear. You see that? We don't want that though. So, we also have a little thing right there. Anyway, we're gonna use this to help her to disappear. But right here, she needs to be gone at this point. So I'm gonna take the minus, subtract this from the mask so she's not here. And then, let's take a look at the mask. Let's remove this. Remove this. Oh, minus. Remove this part. Okay. Let's clear this. So I'm going to select this, select just the windshield. And then I'm going to track it forward. Perfect. And I'm going to track it backwards. Perfect. And now, if I drag it down to opacity, this should work in theory. So it should just be that, and then she should be gone. Let's go. Okay, now check this out. Here's the full shot. So she's celebrating, having a good time. They're playing around. We go back. She disappears. Oh, frick. It looks good. Oh my goodness.
Shane, come check this out. Look at this. Full screen, baby.
They're having a good time.
Dude, that's so
Oh,
good.
she's gone.
Holy shit.
Heck yeah.
She's gone. Now he's gone.
Now he's gone. Yep. So, pretty sick. Good job, team.